In this video, we will take a look how to just allow specific file types. You can see we are currently on the product page and here is our upload button. At the moment, you will see that I can select any kind of file. Now we want to say we are just willing to receive image files. So what we are going to do is we go back to our app dashboard. Here we will find the respective field we have already created. We will click the edit pencil. Then the create page will open up, and the thing what we have to do is we have to scroll all the way down until we will see file types. So you can see it's here right in the middle, file types. You will click on that, it will expand, and you can see that by default it's set to any type of file. You have the option to say specific type of files only. That means you can select, for example, PDF, Word, or you can enter different kind of custom endings. Let's say .eps and so on. So there are different kind of custom solutions as well, but you have also the opportunity to click the button image files only. You have also the opportunity to select PDF files only. Then you have the opportunity to say how many minimum and how many maximum pages. In my case, let's go with the image files only. We click save. Now the field is successfully updated. We go back to the product page, refresh one time, go to choose file, and now we will see we cannot select the PDF anymore since we just have allowed image files only. Yeah, that's pretty much how simple it is to restrict file types.